ตอนนี้มันเป็นจุดเริ่มต้นของทุกคนที่จะทำความฝันของตัวเองมันก็คงจะมีอุปสรรคต่างๆมากมายที่ทุกคนอาจจะไม่รู้อะไรเงี้ยค่ะก็คืออยากจะให้ทุกคนเชื่อมั่นในตัวเองแล้วก็ทำให้เต็มที่
I want to be one of part of them. I want to be a K-pop artist, you know?
ตั้งใจทำความฝันของทุกคนให้สำเร็จ
พี่ทีน่ะรุ่น12อะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะน้องยังเด็กอยู่เลยฟันแบบยังขึ้นไม่ครบอ่ะไม่เคยที่จะหยุดเรียนแล้วก็ทุกชั่วโมงที่เดินเข้ามาหนูอยากจะไปเกาหลีหนูอยากสแตนไมค์มันจะมีตั้งเนื้อเพลงใช่ไหมคะเนื้อเพลงที่เขาเอามาหน้าปกหรืออะไรแฟ้มอะทุกอย่างเป็นเกาหลี
In Thailand, I always listen to K-pop songs.
พอวันหนึ่งที่ค่ายของที่เกาหลีอะ
Thankfully, the YG, they have an audition in Thailand.
Looking forward to the audition and hope a lot of people come and we find a lot of new swagger.
We just held an open audition. She was one of them. And she stood out, or yeah, she did. She stood out for sure.
อย่างเงี้ยแล้วพอไปกลับมาหนูได้มา
She beat 3,999 people in her audition.
I remember she jumped off of the stage and like came right in my face, and I was like, "Yo, she has the courage to do that." I'm like, "Yeah, she is confident."
คืออยู่ในห้องเรียนเนี่ยนะลิซ่าทำเหมือนตัวเองแบบอยู่บนเวทีอะ
She had this quality, you know. She was very confident too. Mm-hmm.
ละสายตาจากเด็กคนนี้ไม่ได้เลยคือก็ไม่ได้เข้าข้างสิทธิ์นะไม่ได้มาพูดเพราะว่าตอนนี้เขาดังมีชื่อเสียงแต่ครูก็พูดเพราะว่าตอนนั้นอ่ะครูก็อยากมองเขาตลอดเลยสายตามันคือเขาแบบ
She had the passion in wanting to do this, you know, and it was really legit and real.
저는 워낙 너무 하고 싶었으니까 그냥 되게 후회 없이 그냥 왔어요.
She came to a new country at age of 14, far from her parents, like to live her dream. She endured all the pain and overcame every obstacle she has gotten in a different country, all by herself.
저 처음 왔을 때 의사소통 하나도 안 했어요. 그때는 좀 힘들었어요. 말이 안 통하니까. 그리고 회사에서 저랑 영어로 쓰지 말래요. 한국어 빨리 늘어야 돼가지고.
This girl had a dream. Nothing was gonna stop her.
5 years was so long, but I didn't give up.
여러분, 오늘 데뷔 쇼케이스의 주인공 YG 신인 그룹 블랙핑크를 소개합니다.
I debuted after 5 years of training. I know being a trainee is hard. It might be hard, but it's worth it.
네, 안녕하세요.
블랙핑크의 리사입니다. 그동안 함께 해온 멤버들과 데뷔를 하게 되어서 너무 떨리고 기대돼요.
She has that $1 million smile. She just has this glow, she has this energy, she has this charm, and it just comes out at you.
감사합니다.
There's one person that you cannot take your eyes off. Lisa has it. Lisa has that quality that you cannot take your eyes off of her when she's on stage. She was born to do this. That's why she's so popular. That is why people go crazy for her.
Ce soir
Parce que Lisa de Blackpink, elle chante bien, elle danse bien. En fait, c'est notre modèle, la meilleure. Ouais, voilà, elle est trop belle. Oh my god, Lisa, I love you.
Lisa from Blackpink, actually, she is like, I mean, an icon right now. She has the most followers of any K-pop idol ever.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Blackpink, so nice to see y'all.
Kumbaya.
She puts the boom in Kumbaya.
She's turning into a brand. The Lisa brand is taking over.
Lisa from Blackpink may be famous, fabulous.
Lisa is a queen.
Elle est très très belle, très belle, très chic.
Vous avez une bonne photo?
Ah non,
Non?
non, il y avait du monde. Ouais, elle est super talentueuse, excellente, hyper belle, géniale.
Lisa, elle était trop belle. Elle est trop belle.
She's just getting started. And Lisa is going to be one of the greatest pop stars of all time.
There's no place in this world for racism.
But it's like, it's Lisa, you know? Lisa deserves Lisa doesn't bother anybody.
Sorry. Many Korean netizens have been attacking Lisa for not being a pure Korean idol.
There were some Korean netizens who started bashing Lisa, from her appearance at award shows to just downright racist attacks.
Put yourself in her shoes.
So there's obviously always going to be people that try to knock you down.
The fact that she gets publicly yelled at, like it's different to be yelled at online because you can just kind of shut your phone off. But when you're at an interview and people are yelling at you and saying these awful things, then it gets kind of tough to even leave the house in the morning.
They want what she has. They want to be her. That's just the bottom line.
Days, I think things are seen in a more positive light now. Whatever these people were trying to accomplish has failed. Support for Lisa is off the charts and has only brought her even more fans. And because of that, hashtag Respect Lisa wasn't just trending within the fan community, it was trending worldwide.
너무 좋아. 날씨도 너무 좋고 좋아요.
There's always going to be hate, but there's always going to be thousands of people supporting you.
There's so many, there are millions of people who love you. So please stay as the brightest and the strongest maknae ever.
We are always going to support Lisa.
หนูอาจจะเป็นคนที่พูดไม่ค่อยเก่งนะคะแต่ก็พยายามจะพูดสิ่งที่อยากพูดให้ทุกคนฟังแต่ก็ thank you again so much Blinks we love you ค่ะขอบคุณมากนะคะ
네, 팬분들 막 맞췄어요. 네 살 아니야 이랬는데 제가 아니라고 했어요. 근데 그럼 맞네 이랬는데 어떻게 알았지? 역시 팬들은 빨라.
She's a good person, that's who she is. She's a once-in-a-generation gem. She's only scratching the surface of what she's going to do. You can tell. She's going to inspire millions of people around the world.
다시 태어난다면 뭐로 태어나고 싶어?
그냥 나.
ลิซ่าคำว่า beauty เป็นยังไงครับ
จริงๆแล้วสำหรับหนู beauty มันแปลว่าแบบคือแต่ละคนหน้าก็จะไม่เหมือนกันก็จะมีเสน่ห์ไม่เหมือนกันถูกต้องหนูคิดว่า beauty มันมาด้วยจากภายในอะค่ะแบบมาด้วยจาก inner มากกว่าถ้าเรามั่นใจถ้าเราแบบเฮ้ยฉันว่าฉันสวยในแบบของฉันอันนั้นก็คือ beauty ค่ะ
นั่นก็คือ beauty แล้ว
คือน้องลิซ่าเรามากเหมือนเขาก็แบบเข้ามากอดอะไรอย่างเงี้ยแบบพอเห็นเราอะไรเงี้ยระดับโลกอย่างเขาจะใส่ใจความรู้สึกเล็กๆน้อยๆคือโบไม่แปลกใจเลยว่าทำไมแฟนคลับทั่วโลกถึงได้รักเขาแล้วก็เอ็นดูเขามากพอได้สัมผัสจริงๆแล้วแบบถือว่าเป็นตัวอย่างที่ดีค่ะสำหรับเด็กหลายๆคนที่แบบมีความใฝ่ฝันมุ่งมั่นว่าจะทำอะไร
คือหนูมาถึงตรงนี้แล้วคือมันผ่านอะไรมาเยอะมากแล้วอะสิ่งที่ทำให้คนรักหนูมากขึ้นคือตัวหนูอะมีความน่ารักมีความรื่นเริง
ทุกคนรักพี่ลิฟเขาเยอะไหวแล้วแล้วแบบคือผมรู้จักพี่ลิฟมาตั้งแต่ก่อนผมเข้าวงการเพราะฉะนั้นคือผมรู้ว่าพี่ลิฟเขาเป็นคนยังไงพี่ลิฟเขาเป็นคนนิสัยดีร่าเริงเป็นคนที่ดีทำดีอยู่แล้ว
리사야 더운데 힘내서 잘하고 있어?
얼른 돌아와서 나랑 맛있는 거 먹으러 가자. 사랑해. 웃는 얼굴로 밝은 모습으로 돌아오게.
You guys should be very proud of Alisa because she's been healthy, she's been strong. To let everybody know, it's okay. We'll take care of Lisa.
ขอบคุณที่ให้ energy ที่ดีกับพวกเราเป็นเหมือนมันลุงเล็กของเรา
좀 주위에 옆에 있는 사람을 좀 편안하게 해주는 그런 따뜻함이 있는 것 같아요. 가끔씩 힘든 일이 있더라도 옆에 사람이 잘 이렇게 말도 잘 들어주고 리사가 있어서 내가 이 정도로 좀 잘 버틸 수 있구나 이런 생각이 가끔씩 진짜 없었으면 진짜 허전했을 것 같아요.
도착하자마자 원래 엄마는 문자를 할 거예요. 막 엄마한테 연락이 아예 없었어요. 근데 알고 보니까 서프라이즈였구나. 어렸을 때 워낙 아빠가 저를 완전 강하게 키워가지고รู้สึกว่าเหมือนเราเคยเป็นคนหนึ่งที่อยากจะประสบความสำเร็จตอนนี้เราเป็นไอดอลคนนั้นทำให้เขาแบบเก่งมากๆค่ะแล้วก็ถ้าคุณฝันว่าคุณอยากจะเป็นจริงๆอ่ะหนูเชื่อว่าทำได้เพราะว่า
She is a girl with a beautiful smile, beautiful eyes, and beautiful heart.
Lisa, you're a multi-talented person. Please show us more of your talents and please be confident of it.
Lisa, Uni, I hope all your wishes come true today and you have a very happy day.
Hello Lisa, wish you a happy birthday. If anyone asks me role model, I always say your name and I love you so much. Wish you a great happy birthday and always stay happy, be healthy.
To Lisa, just continue what you love to do what makes you really happy and happy. And we're just gonna pray to support and love you always. We love you, Lisa.
Happy birthday, Queen Lisa. Always be happy. I love you.
Happy birthday Lisa, hope you have a great day.
Hi Lisa, you're my favorite person in the world. You changed my life better. You will always be my inspiration and my happiness.
She just got this charm, like a positive aura around her that's just transferred to everyone. Like lively person that could light up your day. She probably doesn't even know a person like me exists, but for me, she is the greatest of them all. Because in my darkest days, she was my light.
Lisa is one of the most down-to-earth person that I know. She never lets fame go into her head. Instead, she keeps on learning and improving herself more. Lisa, I hope you continue being you, because that's the best that you could ever be. And don't hold back, because we will always be here cheering for you.
Maligayang kaarawan, Lisa from the Philippines. You helped me in so many ways without you knowing it. I've been struggling for the past months already, but stumbling upon your story made me realize that I'm not alone. You fought for your dream through hard work and patience. Nothing is impossible if you work hard for it. Thank you for being such an inspiration. Maraming salamat. I love you.
Hey Lisa, happy birthday. Thank you very much for being an inspiration to others. And come back, please.
Happy birthday to the strongest fighter ever to grace in earth. I always admire your strength. Words are not enough in describing your impact in us. May the brightest star always light up your life.
Lisa, you are so selfless, beautiful, dedicated, talented, hardworking, and humble. I love you so much. I hope you have the best birthday ever. I know you mean so much to me and so many other Blinks.
Lisa, do you know, I really love your characteristics. Even though you're a popular person, but you're still being humble to every person. We love that. Lisa, I just want to let you know that you're being loved by many people, and don't care for the haters. Just go on for your career. And thank you for existing in this cruel world, Lisa Manabuan.
The thing about Melissa is she's a rare gem. She's born for the stage. Charismatic, beautiful face, amazingly talented. Lisa is called a dance genius and a dance goddess for a reason. She's one of the rare dancers out there that can transmit the emotion and feel of the dance to her audience. Such an incredible talent and skill. A phenomenal performer. How can you not stand and fall in love with the one and only Lisa Manoban?
To my Lisa, I've never been this happy in life until I met you. You are my reason of happiness, my strength, and my everything. You've been through a lot since training days and worked so hard to pursue your dreams. Despite of all the hate you received, you got so many fans and admirers worldwide. Even though sometimes you cry alone thinking about your family, you still focused on what you want to achieve. If they spread hate, we will spread more love to you every second. We will protect you and love you.
Thank you, Lisa, for showing me that I should never give up. When my mom was fighting cancer, when I was being bullied, when I thought the whole world had turned against me, you had told me to never give up, to fight for my dreams. And now I keep crying. And I know how hard it was, but I should keep going. So thank you for being an amazing role model. Thank you for being you. I'm so proud of you, and I will love you to the moon and back, forever and always.
Happy birthday, Lisa. There are 1,000 reasons why I love you. But the most important reason is because you are yourself, and you have been true to yourself, and you've proudly lived as who you are. And no matter how much spotlight that is on you, you've always been true to yourself and have never tried to change for nobody. Lisa, you're the best girl in the world. No matter how hard the world tries to make you forget that, always remember that you're the best girl in the world, and we love you. Happy birthday, Lisa Manoban.